Dear viewers, we're going to show you today how to make beetroot salad in Moroccan style. Okay, first of all, we have some beetroot. They are roasted and they peeled as well. So now what you're going to do, we're going to chop them like cube or dice or squares, whatever you feel like. And then we're going to make a dressing out of yogurt. So we need 3 tablespoons of yogurt, some cumin powder, salt, pepper, and some olive oil. We're going to add some garlic to the dressing. We're going to mix them very well now. That's going to be our dressing. We are going to chop our beetroot now. We're going to cut them pieces. The next one. Now we're going to put some spinach leaves, some beautiful beetroots, little bit of our fantastic dressing. And fantastic beetroot juice around. Drizzle of olive oil. Little more pepper on top. Viewers, that's my beautiful, wonderful Moroccan style beetroot salad. Bon appetit and enjoy!